Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom go down swinging, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to know that what you are doing is going to fail, but refusing to give up until it's over. The running athlete didn't give up easily and battled right to the end. I don't care if I lose. I'll go down swinging. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. At the auction, they had a feeling they didn't have as much money as some other customers. Even if I don't get the item I'm looking for, I'll go down swinging in my bids. The man is upset because his house was repossessed by the bank. I went down swinging, but in the end, it doesn't matter. The soldiers prepare for one last onslaught. They've retreated to the last barracks. They've outdone themselves so far, so my guess is they'll go down swinging. Here are some further examples, starting with professional situations. The lawyer lets his client know, we may not have a very real chance of winning since they found that evidence, but we'll go down swinging. The company rivaled another for the client's custom, but we lost out in the end. They outdid us with the little extras in their offer, but we made sure we went down swinging. The candidates awaiting the interview are chatting. You sound like you are really in the running for the role, but don't be fooled because I'll go down swinging. Where did you hear the expression, go down swinging? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.